guys. I've been back on this ridge right here since daylight. Boy, it started raining, the wind was blowing really hard. I got soaking wet, man, I'm freezing. I broke down off this ridge right here. I'm going to grab and jump in this blind right here and see what happens. I'm just like I say, I just can't take it cold anymore. I'm gonna get inside this blind here and see what happens. You guys stay with us. I didn't get that shot on video. Maybe I got it on that Tactacam. I'm hoping so. Man, that's a big old long beard right there, man. I tell you what. Been raining all morning on and off. He's flopping out there now. I come around up on top of the hill up here this morning. And the rain just kept hammering down. I was like, I'm gonna go down there and get in that blind and walk down there next to his food plot. I slipped down in there and got in here about an hour after daylight. Man, that's a big old bird. I'm tickled to death with them. I was set up on these birds, back up on this ridge right here. I was up in there. There's no haul road come down in there on that. And they were roosted just around this bend right here. It kept raining, Man, I just got wet. I'm like, I'm gonna slip down there and grab and jump in that blind real quick. Hadn't been down here in no time. I looked and I seen him coming around the corner of the field right here. I hope I got that shot on that Tactacam, because once I shot, I looked at that big camera in the bend and I didn't see him, man. And when he was flopping, I was like, oh my God, I didn't get the shot on film. But sometimes that happens. I apologize for that if I didn't get it. But let's take a look at him. He's a good bird. He's a big old long beard. Looks on him. Yeah, man, look, what a beard. What a beard, guys. Man, that's one of the longest beards I think I ever seen. My goodness sakes. I don't know how good you can see that thing on this. That's a giant beard on him. Tickled to death with him right there. He's a great bird. That's my last bird there in West Virginia. But I think we're going to try to slip down to Florida and do a hog hunt and a gator hunt here later on this year, and hope to get some good footage down there for you guys. Man, I tell you what, I love this stuff. I appreciate you guys being with me too. Man, it's a cold morning. I know the grass is green and all that, but I got wet, got cold. I was like, man, I'm just gonna slip down there and get in that big blind just to get out of the rain, to be honest with you. I'm glad I did it though. Appreciate you guys.